enough like the greatest showman. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to be mesmerized by our Tubular Idol finalist number 5 from Barangay Banasawi, Alicia Erich Misalas. Wow, grabe. I'm still goosebumps. Diba? We have the same feelings. Grabe, uy. Basta, I'm speechless at karon. Now let's hear the comments from our judges now. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's have Sir M.
For the first time, kung nag-judge, diri sa Tuburan Idol, kanina batch ang pinakalisod. As in, natulas na yung baka kayo. Ay, di ba ako sa iyo? Tawag mo ako. My God! Alicia, ano ba yun? Activated by your performance. Ikaw ang singer nga, di na kinahanglan move to the right, move to the left, just stand there and sing and maminaw na gabinin niyo. O, buwan hour gabinin sa iyong performance. Very good. I really love your performance. You know what? Kamong lima, nindot kayo magtingog, lain-lain. No, what I am looking for tonight's performance is how you deliver the song. No, the emotions you ipakita. Ay, kalisod in town. Pariharan na sa layo diha. Kalisod kaayo. Drawing on. Kapag, di ba nag-make up again, no? Naku, kayo kong bayad, ani, ha? Kinahalam sa expand ko. DP na mag-reach yung siguro. Elisha, congratulations. Kaya nasa layo, pwede. Boy, something, ay, her, labihan ilong, disappointed. Elisha, congrats!
Thank you.
Sir Rodel, ikaw,